GBPUSD initiated the week with a bullish sentiment but failed to extend the buying pressure above the 1.3628 level due to the hike pointing to the pound dovish sentiment. However, the last daily candle closed bearish above the dynamic 20 EMA, where investors should remain cautious about finding the upcoming price trend. This technical analysis shows that the MACD histogram failed to hold the bearish sentiment and aimed higher to the neutral zone, while the dynamic 20 EMA is still below the price. Based on this structure, a bearish daily candle below the dynamic 20 EMA might extend the selling momentum, where any bullish rejection from the 1.3433 support level would be a potential buying point with the target of 1.370 area. However, a break below the 1.3433 level with a bearish daily close might extend the bearish pressure towards the 1.3267 level.